Alright, you are welcome once again. I hope you are happy to see me. I am happy to see you too. I am Boniface Chimakensi. Remember, this is English class basic 3. English class basic 3. Today we'll be talking about vocabulary. Yes. Vocabulary. Vocabulary. Of course, you know what vocabulary is. Vocabulary is a word that knows a big meaning. A word that knows a big meaning. You know, sometimes we read some things, we enjoy them, but we don't know the meaning. Why? There are some big words there. I can't really tell the meaning of those words. I can pronounce them, but I can't really tell the meaning. Those words are vocabulary. They have meaning, different meanings. And that is why you are not too small to know their meaning. Rather, you are old enough to know their meaning. That's why we have to study vocabulary, so that we can know how to tackle this problem when next we come across them. Alright, I'm going to use a poem to illustrate this very fast. I have this. A fluffy puppy for you. A fluffy puppy for me. Having fun together. Having fun together. How happy we will be. Yes, it's a poem. Fluffy puppy for you, fluffy puppy for me. Having fun together, how happy we shall be. Fluffy puppy for you, fluffy puppy for me. Having fun together, how happy we will be. You'll enjoy it. Now, let's sing one more time. Fluffy puppy for you, a fluffy puppy for me. Having fun together, how happy we will be. A fluffy puppy for you, a fluffy puppy for me. Having fun together, how happy we will be. You can sing it and you enjoy it, you dance it, you shake your head while singing it. But you don't know the meaning of this. Why? Because we have some vocabulary word here. Now, how do we do vocabulary when we come across it? It's very simple. It's very simple. Once you see a vocabulary, or once you see a word, a sentence, or anything, a note, and you read them carefully, once you see a big word you cannot tell, simply underline it. Like here, I don't know what this means. I can underline it. I don't know what this means. I'll underline it. I can't tell what this means. I'll underline it. I can't tell what this means. I'll underline them. That is the first step. Keep on reading them until you master them. Then the next thing you do is what? Write them out. Write them out. How will you write them out? Write new words. New words. You write it out. Your new word is number 1 is fluffy. Number 1 is fluffy. Number 2 is what? Puppy. Number 3 is what? Fun. And number 4 is what? Together. These are vocabulary words. I don't know their meaning, but I want to know it so that I can understand this very well. Every story you read, every note you read, every poem you recite, make sure you know the full meaning of it by checking each vocabulary word there. Every vocabulary word there, make sure you check them, go across them. Now, You go to your dictionary. You are not too smart to have a dictionary. You are old enough to have your own dictionary. So go to your own dictionary and get it. And check this word there. Check this word there. Very simple. How do you check it? How do you check it? Please, you start with F. This word starts with F. Go to a dictionary. It is arranged alphabetically. So go to F. Once you see F, you go to FL. You go to FLU. You go to FL, F, and Y. Alphabetically, find them one after the other. Then you get to see the word fluffy. Fluffy, you will not look for the meaning of fluffy. You will find out that fluffy is something that is comfortable and soft. Comfortable and soft. Now we have puppy. Now, mind you, also learn how to pronounce them. Of course, I've taught you vowel and consonant sound. So every dictionary you have the vowel and consonant pronunciation. Know how to pronounce them. You go to puppy. Know the correct pronunciation of this first, and then you check the meaning. Follow the same way alphabetically. Look for P. After P, you look for PU. After P, you look for PUP. PUPP. And PUPPY. You will get puppy. Then look for the it. You know what it means. Of course, you look for fun. You look for fun. Fun means something that makes you happy and excited. You look for it, you see, and then look for together. Together is one another doing things in common. That is together. Now we have floppy means something that is soft and what? Comfortable. Then this one is puppy and this one is fun. Once you have gotten to know this, go back to that particular poem. Go back to that particular note. Go back to that particular sentence. Go back to that particular passage. And then read them again. This time, you will find the secret meaning of that particular thing. Like this one, it means a fluffy puppy for you. Now, the last thing you do is what? Tell the relationship between this word by giving your own new word. Give your own new word to this. Something comfortable and soft. Puppy, a doll. So you say, a doll that is comfortable and soft for you. A doll that is comfortable and soft for me. We have a good time with one another. How happy we will be. Now you see, you can understand it better by breaking down this vocabulary. Now you can understand this poem better. Something with that your note, something with that your passage, something with that sentence that you can't understand. Do it like this and you will get to understand more words, more sentences, more passages. I hope you will enjoy doing it on your own private world. Of course, if you still need more questions, if you need more explanations, or anything you want me to help you with, you can contact me through that website there, Den of Knowledge. I'm happy seeing you today. Of course, I want to see you next time. I remain Boniface Chima Kensley. Still that same place, Den of Knowledge. For now, stay tuned